It's a Bluetooth smartwatch provided by Patek company, model number PW305. It used to connect to Android phone. The company offered an application to install to Android phones. From screen, you can see it display time and weather. It uses capacitive screen. Touch here to the main menu. Swipe between left and right to different pages. The features, it supports SMS. You can read text, send message without taking out your phone. Dialer, it can dial phone number and display incoming calls ID. And talking as it's with speaker and microphone. It can synchronize your phone book. Social news notification like Facebook, Twitter, WeChat. It can control your phone's music, play, pause, next and last. It has built-in calendar. You can add note to the date. Clock includes alarm, stopwatch, and timer. Pedometer is very helpful when people do sports. One of the main features is anti-lost. If you leave your phone anywhere and walk away for 5 meters, this watch will vibrate to alert you. And if you want to find your phone, you can touch here. Your phone will ring out. Also, you can use your phone to look for this watch. This watch will ring out. And you can turn on and off this function here. Simple calculator. Make some setting here. Camera control. This watch can control phone's camera. Watch can display same photo with phone. It's very useful when people take self-portrait. The battery. This watch uses lithium and rechargeable battery. It can last for 2 to 6 days. Depends on how you use it. Generally, this watch is practical, and the company also declared they will offer more and more applications to this watch.